Hi guys, and welcome back to another bedroom makeover. So this is a part 2 makeover. We did a part 1 on the last video where we tackled the wardrobe area, and today we are going to tackle the bedside area. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Reggie. I do all things DIY and makeover and everything in between. So remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share, all the things that people do to help support the channel. So let's get straight to the video. So first was to change the position of the bed. Having the bed at the center of the room made sure that both sides are equal and also there is enough room to move around. I also did not want her to sleep and be looking at the shoes and the clothes and whatnot. So I wanted her to just focus on the other side of the room, which has the mirror and also the desk. I can't stress enough the importance of moving your curtain higher. So we did that. I know a lot of landlords don't allow that, but if you have an opportunity to move your curtain higher, please do so, especially with small windows. It really does help make the windows look bigger and wider.
Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
So for the bedside, I made these two pieces of bedside floating table. So the goal was to make sure they don't touch the floor because that creates more space because we are working with a really tiny space. So I used Softid to make them, and I'm going to use an L-shaped bracket, the heavy duty one, to mount them. One of the things that I really try to achieve when doing this makeover is to create convenience. So we didn't have like a bed switch, which means that if she wants to read at night, or she wants to go back to sleep, or she wants to go to sleep, she will have to go at the door and switch off the light, which is really not convenient. So I made these wall scone. They are very convenient. You can just reach them when you are in your bed. You don't have to get out, and they're really beautiful. They also bring that vibe that we were really going for, the cozy vibe.
Just a face in a crowd, and now I can't imagine me with anybody else as we close out the night underneath the lilac sky. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
Over the years, I've really collected a lot of skills. So I also do have some basic skills when it comes to electrical. Anyway, I went to school to do electrical. So I know some of the video that you see me fixing this light electrical stuff. It is not that I'm just DIYing. I know what I'm doing. I've get this a lot to put some disclaimer. Yes, I do have knowledge on electrical, and if you ever want to attempt doing electrical, please switch off your main switch. And if you don't know what you're doing, please don't do it. Stima si rafiki yako. Back to serious matter. So for the wall decor, we went with these neutral baskets that we got from Wariro Market. And if you don't know Wariro Market, it means you're not on TikTok, which means you don't follow me on TikTok. See, please go follow me on TikTok and at Reggie Doing Things. That is on TikTok and Instagram. So now you can see why I did not paint the bedside, because I really wanted it to go well with the wall art. So since this is a rental space, to power up the electrical lamps, we did a cable from the socket to the to the bedsides. And as I've said, the disclaimer, if you don't understand the basic principle of electrical, I would advise you to stay away from it. But you can always get an electrician to do the wiring for you, which is very simple, and they can do it at a very affordable price.
As long as it's with you, as long as it's with you.
So for the desk area, we did one floating shelf and this pin board that she really wanted, because she's a vision girl and she wanted to have that in her space. This is also a great time to remind you why you should follow me on TikTok and also on Instagram. The things that I thrifted, I always make a video for the trip there. So some of these things that you are seeing, I already posted a reel or a TikTok video to show you guys where I bought them. It was already getting late, but as I said, this project was a one-day project and I'm so happy that I was able to pull this one off. So for the finishing touches, as I said in the previous video, we bought the curtain from Kikomba. All these things that you are seeing, they are very thrifted. We just customize them to our size and also clean them prior to this installation day.
Next year will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you.
To balance all the colors out, we use a throw pillow and a throw blanket of the same color so that it can balance the neutral and the gray and the black colors. When it comes to rug, I will say pick a bigger rug than you think you may need. This is because most often than not, the bedroom always get the smaller rugs because of size and also getting the right dimension. So yeah, we also thrifted this pale Kikomba. If you ever want to thrift curtain, bedding, hizo vitu zote za home, you can always hit me up. When it comes to lighting, you can never have enough lighting. So we also added a tabletop light just for the study area. So far we have a few lights in this room, and also the natural light is so beautiful in the morning. I will show you those videos. For this makeover, we kept all the big furniture, that is the desk, the seat, and also the bed. We just added a few touches to make the room more welcoming.
The feeling behind my eyes, you stood out 'cause you were in red. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White outside.
Thank you so much guys for watching. If you have loved this video and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. That's the only way you can help build my channel and also build this little passion of mine. So as you can see, we can still use our mosquito net, which was very important because she has a baby, and you know with babies mosquito net is a must. So until next time, bye. Remember to catch up with the last video and also the new video by subscribing. Bye bye.